for looking at what is the meaning of this acronym AFK. What does it stand for? Well, it stands for simply away from keyboard. So that's when you're not available to text back. Let's see a few examples of use. This would be a text message or a chat message. I didn't see your message. I was AFK, away from keyboard, so I couldn't answer back. Or I'm going to bed, I'll be AFK. AFK is away from keyboard. It's easy, and now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support. At least like it. It only takes 1 second and it helps me a lot. Thanks for this and more videos for you here on how to pronounce more vocabulary and what it means. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.